here we are. It is the completed entryway, and I must say it looks like a little oasis here, and I hope you agree how precious it is. This wall is where they're going to hang things like purses and bags and backpacks and things when they come home, and they really needed a space where they could do that. They have this bench that is really useful to sit down and pull the baskets out and get their shoes out for the day, or put their shoes up when they come home, and still be surrounded by beautiful things, which I absolutely love. Now in this area, we really wanted it to be a little bit of a greenhouse because she loves growing plants and she loves drinking coffee. So this is a perfect place for her to sit out here and drink coffees in the morning while she enjoys her plant life. And these here for when she wants to start propagating plants. And we had to switch it up a little bit from what we thought we were going to do, but it turned out extremely well and we love it. But look at the coziness of this. You just sit out here all day. So nice.
And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. The darkness starts to fade, feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
And this room goes to show you it does not take a lot of money to make a lot of changes. We did majority thrifting here. This table was thrifted. The stand over here was thrifted. Majority of the pots and plants were thrifted and then propagated and reused in different ways. The things that we did buy new were the rug, which was new to me years ago. I gave it to her years ago. The bench, and a couple of the hangers for the hanging pots, and the paint. Other than that, everything else was thrifted or just, complete work with our hands. So this is something you can do just to make a little area of your home feel welcoming. And now when she walks through her front door, she's going to be excited to be home and to see all of this behind her. So I hope you've enjoyed this makeover as much as I've enjoyed doing this for my daughter. And let me know what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe.